Hello. Hello, can you hear me? So, I hope I am audible. Let me just check. Yeah. So yeah, there was some problem with this OBS. So that's why I have to restart again and again make a new one. So yeah, let's start the session for today without wasting time. So yeah, hello everyone. Today is 4th of November and yes, you might have heard about fake screenshots, but now you will see that FIIs are doing fake call writing. Okay, so I'll show you exactly how they are doing it and why they are doing it and what's their actual plan. So yeah, first let's come today. So first, if you the scores were live streamed, okay, today, and if you see that in the morning scores were dropping, okay, and even in BankNifty the scores were dropping, okay, but then again score went up, but the score finally was dropping, and it was a sell on rise, okay, because there was some rise and again then sell. So it was just a sell on rise, and yeah, the same thing was notified even on yesterday's video, okay, YouTube video, you see. And yes, also I told the members in the morning to go for sell on rise, and then we did some put buying. The trades you can also see on Twitter, what trades we took, and also then I did after put buying, I did call writing for some more profit, and then I closed when Nifty was at around 18,000. Then I closed, okay, and then I did not. I took one trade just to make my profit. Just above, it was around 28 or 29k. So like why not 30k? So that's why I took one trade. But yes, after that I did not take any trade, and I did not take any positional trade. So that also I notified. So yes, the thing is that एक तो like तो बनता है, right? So please do like the video. If you saw yesterday's video, I clearly stated that it was a sell on rise, और आज मार्केट एकदम मतलब शुरू होते ही फिर नीचे आने लगा था, right? तो so here, I mean just market started, okay, तो ये मतलब एक बहुत ही अच्छा अपॉर्चुनिटी था, और फिर नीचे आ गया 18,000 के अराउंड, और फिर reversal, right? So let me show you. Now look at the chart, okay, look at this chart of Nifty. So this is the score graph, red one, and this is the blue one is the Nifty, right? Now look here, from this point the score started increasing, okay, and you see the slope of the score, it's in an increasing mode, but in between that Nifty started dipping, okay. So why is that? Because the positions were getting adjusted, okay, but the score started increasing, and finally Nifty also came up, and you see there was a very nice rise in the score. So okay, now you would tell that all these are fake. So let's look at the time. So the time is around this 10:23:59, okay. So let's look at the score. So here 10:23, as you can see here, the score started increasing here, so you can very well see. And not only that, the scores were live streamed, okay. So these scores today were live streamed on YouTube. So even if you say that the YouTube is fake, then yes, Google is fake, everything is fake, and why are we living so everything is fake, okay. So that's the thing. And yes, after that you can see very well the score increased, and it was showing a nice strength. Even like before the 3 p.m. candle, you see the score rising like I mean I mean, even before like the 3 p.m. candle that you saw, that there was a huge rise. So even before that, just see the score, it was gradually increasing. Okay, yes, the last few scores, so I wasn't there at home, so in the live stream always I have to scroll down so that you can see the next scores. So yes, the scores were not there. And also for Bank Nifty, after 12:40, the score, I mean, there was some server problem in Bank Nifty, and yeah, the score did not update, and I wasn't there to fix it. So why I left, because today the main reason was that here I could have, I clearly saw that scores were increasing, and now put writers were active at 18,000, and like I was feeling always to trade and make profit. So I mean, yes, even if I was right or what, so greed was coming inside me, so that's why I left. Okay, so even I stated that on Twitter, and so yeah, even I stated that on Twitter here. So here you can see. So yes, I'm happy with 30k profit. So yesterday I made a 6-digit profit. Today 30k. I'm very happy with it. So over trading is not a very good thing. Even like I was right today, I did not trade. I just left the trading desk. So the thing is that if you don't leave your trading desk, you will finally fall into that and you will trade again. Okay, so the only best thing is that you just leave and go for a movie and whatever, just leave. Okay, so yes, then the next thing, so let's now come to the next best thing, is the next analysis. Okay, so yes, let's see. Okay, so I have to open the Excel sheets. Okay, so let's see. So this is today's data. Now you can very well see that of course these futures long has been done, but not in huge quantity. But now the next question is, why are they doing futures short positions? Okay, so they are they are adding futures short. Okay, so why? We'll answer that shortly. The next thing is that you have in option index or option chain, you'll see that both call writing and put writing has been done, and now you will see that, oh, there is a huge call writing that has been done, right? So future short is also being done, call writing is also being done, so obviously market will be bearish. Okay, so it will be again a sell on rise, or market will be bearish. That's what everyone will think after looking at this data. Let's look at it in my way. Okay, so I have shown you even in the past how to look at the end of the day data. So when everyone was bearish, we were bullish, and when everyone was bullish, we were bearish, looking at the end of the data. So everyone has this data, but very few has the capacity to look at it at the correct way. Okay, so now let's look at it the correct way. So first of all, let me show you about these call writings, why I am calling them as fake call writings. Okay, so let's go to the option chain. Okay, so let's go to the option chain. So option chain here. Now you'll notice that, so let's refresh. Yeah, so now you will notice, let's go to the very top, 19,000. Okay, 19,000, huge OI and huge OI change. So the OI is 88.4 lakhs and the OI change is 35.7 lakhs. Okay, today's OI change is 35.7 lakhs. Now you would the next question is that why would someone go at 19,000 for this weekly expiry and 35 lakhs contracts? Why have been like why is the OI change 35.7 lakhs? You should ask this question. What is the premium? So the premium is 1 rupees 20 paisa. Okay, so this is 19,001 rupee 45 paisa. You should ask yourself this question, that why I mean, someone could have gone and shorted at the 18,000 or maybe like 18,600 also, okay, or 18,700 also. Why there? Let me show you the next point. It's at 18,700. Okay, so 18,700, there is a huge OI. So yes, I can accept that these the OI that you are seeing, they have previously, like in the previous month, they have sold this option, or maybe they have sold it 1 or 2 weeks ago. That's fine. But today's OI change is 31.6 lakhs. It's at 18,700. 31.6 lakhs. Okay, so now that's the OI change. So now you got to know what the FIIs, where these huge writing positions are. They are making these writing positions at certain levels which are just like not for call writing, they are just to fool the retail traders or whoever it is. So now you can see, like, I mean, just think of us. Would we go there and make some call writing positions there? Never, right? So you'd think that it's not a very good premium also. Like that premium, I can get a good premium if I do just put shorts or maybe somewhat near somewhere call shorts. Okay, so that's the thing. So that's the main thing you should have noticed, that the major call writing positions are being done at 18,700 and even at 19,000, even for, just for this expiry, which doesn't make sense. And that's the thing. That's where these huge call writing positions are. Okay, now let's come to the next thing. Now these call buying positions, so they are not required for these positions. You don't require them to hedge, right? If you are making call writing at 19,000, why do you need to hedge them? Okay, so they are like, very, very safe. So these call buyings are being done just to hedge the future short positions. Okay, so that is the next thing that you should know, that these call buyings are not for hedging of these call writing positions. They are for the hedging of these future short positions, which has been just done because they want to fool us and nothing else. Okay, so let me tell you, like, why market was not rising up. Okay, every day at the start there was a sell on rise. So the thing is that after looking at this bullish data, when suddenly, like 1 week back, FII started buying in the cash and doing futures long. Okay, huge futures long, everyone got bullish, and above 18,000 everyone is bullish. Okay, so what is happening? Market open होते ही मतलब सब लोग call buy कर रहे हैं, ठीक है? तो call buy कर रहे हैं या put short कर रहे हैं, whatever. Most of the retail traders are long. Okay, and that's why the liquidity is being sucked. तो मतलब retail traders भर के call buy कर रहे हैं. तो क्या मतलब generally the big players, what they would do, they would just make some call shots and take the benefit. Okay, so that's what this thing is going on. And the next thing is that's why, I mean, they are facing like problems to make long positions. If the retail traders are also making long positions, then they would need someone against them to make the contract of long position. So they are facing problems to make long positions, so they have to plan something to make a fool out of you, so that they could make these long positions, and you would be making short positions. Okay, so that's the thing. And yes, so but these put writing positions, they are made at 18,000 level. So yes, they are here. So they are made at these 18,000 level. Okay, so 18,000 level, huge put writing has been done. And let me see, so 39.2 lakhs OI change, and yes, 18,150, and even like if you see at 18,200 also OI change is there. So 18,200, 8.8 lakhs OI change is there. So which is deep in the money. Okay, so that's the thing. So the major put writing has been done at 18,000. Okay, so for now, for the next few days, just concentrate on put writing if you are a writer. And again, option buyers, you can go long. So if you see a dip, that would be a major sign to go long. And also let's discuss the levels. So yeah, let's go to the 1-day chart. Okay, so even like the levels that I discussed, even you saw that they are nicely working even today. So here you can see 18,090, as soon as that level acted as resistance, there was a nice 100 points fall. And yes, again at 18,000, I just clearly told you even yesterday that it's a psychological level, and from there again the thing started reversing, and even our indicators also said they would indicated this reversal. So nothing very surprising there. But yes, here the level was taken down, so 18,090 was taken down. So now this could act as support, and let's see further. So above you have a resistance at 18,175. Okay, so if 18,175, where this you saw for many days this got resistance. So here also, like if you go a little bit in the past, so here also it got resistance there at that level. I clearly showed you that in the previous videos. You can go and check. So the next thing would be to break 18,175. Okay, if that is broken, or if Nifty goes makes a gap up and opens above that level, then we are going for the all-time high. So for now XGX Nifty is suggesting so, but yes, if that is the thing, then we are going for the all-time high. And for Bank Nifty, let's see. So for Bank Nifty also, again for today, you saw how nicely this range is working, 41,500 and below 41,000. So here so here market opened, and you see as soon as it touched 41,500, okay, it Bank Nifty came down, and it came down till 41,095. okay, so 41,100, so 400 points fall. So now you can very well imagine like how powerful this 41,500 is. So yes, Bank Nifty has to break this level of 41,500, and then again for Bank Nifty also we'll be looking at the all-time high. And let's discuss the option chain of Bank Nifty. So for Bank Nifty, Yes, and one more question that you can ask is like, if they're selling calls at that high level, then who is buying? So it's not anyone is buying, they are buying and they are only selling. Okay, so they would just call their friend and they would ask them to buy and they would sell, and it would be a mutual agreement between them. Okay, so that's the thing, because I mean they would make some loss there, it doesn't matter, they would make a huge profit from out of the long positions. Okay, so it's a very minimal loss, nothing big. So yes, I mean according to the FIIs, to me it's a huge one. Yes. Yes, now let's discuss. So for the put writing position, since 41,000 level for the past few days we have been discussing, like 18,000. So in Bank Nifty also 41,000 is such a level that is not breaking. So 41,000 put writers are there, and yes, 6.7 lakhs OI change, and again at 41,500 there is, so it's deep in the money. So 41,500 it's in the money, but yes, 8.6 lakhs OI change, and put writing has been done here also. So yes, overall the things are looking bullish, and in cash segment also the FIIs are constantly buying. So let's see what happens next. So that would be my prediction to, I mean, go long in if there is a nice dip, so just go for long positions. And we have discussed the levels, and yeah, Bank Nifty and Nifty, so you know, as they were live streamed today, so you know what happened. So yes, if you have any queries or questions, you can ask. So even like yesterday, you can see I clearly stated sell on rise. Okay, so the thing is, एक तो like बनता है, तो please do like the video if you have gained any knowledge, or if I have been able to help you in any way. So yeah, and how do you identify the big players is buying or selling? It would be appreciated if you take this question. So how do I identify? I have answered this question a lot of times. So like the main part is selling is also like somewhat easier to identify, but buying is very difficult. So let me tell you, like I have very in very detailed I have discussed that. I think that is either in this video or I don't exactly remember, like it would be in one of these videos from here. So there's a high chance that it's in this video. So or maybe the previous video, this put buying by big players, where yeah, maybe this video, because put buying were identified. So during the market hours, so yeah, in this video I have clearly like stated what I am doing. So again I'll repeat again. You see that there are things like IV, volume, and then you have your premium, and also there is future analysis, which will also give you a direction, and overall like how I mean the market is behaving. So that I mean that comes with experience, but the main data are IV, volume, premium, obviously OI change, and futures data as well. So that helps. Okay, so the main thing is that if selling is going on, then the IV will decrease, okay, at that strike price. It's not a very hard and fast rule, but usually, and if buying is happening, IV should increase. Okay, so there must be some kind of IV spike, but again that is not a very hard and fast rule. Again you have to change check premium. So the change in premium in a very minute scale, like in 5 seconds or maybe 1 second or 3 seconds, with respect to the change in the index, and for their delta will help you to identify that if if 1 point in move in the index, what will be the change in the premium. So from there you get to know that from there you get to know that what is being what is being done. Okay, so Sagar Gopal, you see I have today live stream, so सागर जी आप थोड़ा देख के बात कीजिए. I have today live stream and the scores were totally live. Okay, so yeah, so I mean this is the Telegram channel, and in the morning I have told that here, where did it go? The most yeah, as discussed in the video, sell on rise, so 921. Okay, so that's when the second OI data comes. Okay, so yes, I am lying everything and you are telling the truth, but you don't have any proof, right? So please show any proof and then come. Okay, so even here Skadosh is there, who is also a premium member, so he knows. So yeah, always haters will be there, so they won't listen, they would be greedy and they would just take positions according to themselves, and then they would blame you. Okay, so you can't help it. So suggestions for futures update, information of positions. Yeah, so Anuj, the main thing is that the point being here is you have to identify like which side IV is decreasing or increasing premium. So you can't, if you can't notice that, you have to like make some Excel sheet or something where data would be coming. That will help you to identify. And also like futures analysis is there, which you have to identify from the OI, that is what is being done. Okay, so like if call writing, futures long or short positions are being built, and as well as like the volume. So the volume will help you to identify like today morning when when volume. So yes, okay, sorry. So today morning, first at 18,100, call writers and as well as put writers both were present, but you see the scores going down. Okay, so the thing is that even at 18,000, call writers were present, and so the machine gave importance to that, and yes, first it went down. But while going down, you see that how does the volume helps you is that the call writers are leaving their position. So how do you identify that? You identify with volume. If the OI is not changing but volume is changing in huge quantity, then you know that yes, the call writers are now leaving. And then after that, if the call writers are leaving and more put writing is being formed, then you know that yes, that's where the reversal is. So that's how we mainly identify the trend, that's how we identify everything. Okay, and yes, futures analysis also helps. So that's the thing. If you have any further question, please do ask. So yeah, Skadosh, suggestions for futures update, intimation of positions being exchanged when your AI detects code change suddenly and back to normal. Skadosh, I did not understand your question. Suggestion for future update, intimation of positions being exchanged when your AI detects code change suddenly and back to normal. Yes, I got your point. Like sometimes you will see that score dropped and then score again increased. Okay, so then what happens is that the big players are trying to, they're shifting their positions. Okay, so they can't just offload their positions like us. So they need like 2 to 3 phases to offload their positions. Like even today, what I just showed you is, even today, like here, score was moving higher, but you see that Nifty was taking a dip. Okay, so why is that? Okay, so the thing is because this score is increasing, what we were yes, so volume. So because of the volume, the thing was that the call writers were leaving, but they for them to leave, what they need to do is, you see here they made a dip, and then again they made a dip here. So that's what they do, and even like for here also they made a dip. You can see very well the scores are increasing here. Okay, so even if someone is saying that I am lying, yes, okay, fine, I am lying. YouTube is also lying. Everyone is lying. Okay, I have made some contract with YouTube to show some fake scores on YouTube, and even YouTube is lying. So the scores at this point, it was live stream. So just go and check the live stream if these scores were generated or not. Okay, so here also there was a dip. So that's what they do. Yes, so that's what they do usually to offload their huge positions. Okay, so Yogi Baba, my live streaming doesn't start after anyone. You should please note that. So my live streaming doesn't have a fixed timing. So I am really sorry for that, because I have other works also. Okay. So if you are claiming that, so then please note here that yesterday I made this at the night. So just go and check. I made it at the very late night, and I uploaded it at even at night, and then I went to sleep. Okay. So so even like some of the live streamings were done even in the evening. So the thing is that even this live streaming was done in the evening. Okay, so no, not this one. Okay, so the thing is that yes, I don't have to do after anyone or anything. You just check my analysis. My analysis are totally independent, and I think they are better than the person that you are claiming. Okay, so the person that you are naming just claims everything after the market hours. I have he comes and claims on the very easy days that yes, see, I have told. Okay, so doesn't matter what that person is doing or not doing. One counter question on that, we have a lot of strike price. So how to take this on graph, because at same time more than strike price? No, that's what I told. Like you can't you can't see at every strike price. So you have to see at then I usually see it at the nearest 100 strike price. Okay, so that's what you have to see, like both on the call side and the put side. Like just in the morning when you see that on both the sides OI is increasing, and now you are confused that which side to go, whether to do call short or put short, or which side market will move. Then basically this helps you, that IV volume, this premium. So majorly premium will help you. Okay, so no indicator is 100%. So if people trade only based on indicators, they are bound to burn their hands. Indicators are assistant tools to enhance trading and not trade for. Yeah, so indicator, you see that if you, again I tell you, like kya hota hai ki you see the indicator here, morning, such a nice direction it gave, and now you will take the trade and you will make a huge profit. Then what happens? Greed comes into you. Okay, then what happens is that I have seen this in many of the members also, that the greed has entered into them. When you see that something is magically working, then you think that okay, now also it will work, every time it will work, and they just try to trade every candle. Okay, so they just try to predict everything. So I tell basically wait for the signal. Okay, like here, let me just tell you, when my profit was in the morning 28k or 29k, so I was just missing the 30k. So like here I got the signal, and then only I took the next put buying trade. So it was around here. You see, suddenly I saw that the score came down to negative 19 and negative 21. Okay, after that it increased, but yes, it was a very quick signal. So just go and check 11:13. So yeah, 11:25, 11:05, 11:10 to 11:15. Yes. So 11:10 to 11:15. This is the candle. 11:13. The score just suddenly dropped, and you can very well see there was a drop here. Okay. So that's what I did. Like I just took it and just left it out. Okay. So I reached my target. So that's what it is. Like sometimes the moves will be more, but you see that since already you have seen that from the morning there has been a huge fall. So if you are expecting that there further fall will come, so you also have to have some common sense. Okay, so when some signal comes for the option buyers, I tell that go for the trade and just quickly with some nice profits just close them. So the indicators will give you signal. And yes, I'm talking about this signal. So this signal when the live streaming was perfectly working. Okay, so just go and check. What I meant was in the future update of this indicator, perhaps you can code it with the Excel sheet notifying unusual activity. Yes, so that's what I'm planning. Like if sudden increase or decrease in the score, so it will identify or it will let the others know. So and remind to check OI. Okay. Orko, don't waste your energy on answering every vicious attack. Focus on improving the indicator. Happy to use it so far. Yeah. So thanks a lot, Skadosh. So Anuj, thanks for the info. I appreciate, buddy. Yeah. So the thing is that yes, just go and check my analysis. It does. I have seen this. Like many people think that I copy someone or I do things like that. But I have shown that the person you are talking about, whom you think that I have copied, I have shown you clearly that that person is totally wrong. I have shown it in one of the videos that the person, whatever the calculations that person is doing, is totally like mathematically, statistically, it's wrong. I have proven with proper examples. Okay. This is the first thing. And the second thing is that just go and check that person's accuracy with my accuracy. Okay. I don't wait for a perfect day to predict. I just do it on every day. Okay. And my accuracy, you all know. Even go and check on Twitter. You'll know what my accuracy is. So yes, the video is there somewhere. Is it? I don't know where it went. The video. I think it's in the live. I explained it live, I think. Here. You can very well go and see this video, okay? So, after that you will know. What's your suggestion for option buyers on Monday? So, that's what I said that, again, it's a fake call writing. So, don't go for call writing. So, don't be bearish. So, that's the message. Okay, so go with put writing. So, these huge call writing that you see, they are very, very far away. So, they doesn't have any relevance. Okay, so go with put writing, or if you see any option buying or specifically like call buying opportunity, so go for it. Okay, after this data many would be bearish, okay, because they would see that future short is increasing, even like a huge call writing is being done. Like if you see the data, huge call writing, okay. But yes, if suddenly something changes on Monday morning, then I'll surely notify you all. But for now, it's a trap, okay, the call writing positions. So yes, if you have any further queries or questions, please do ask. Okay then, so if you liked my analysis, please, I mean, not today, even if you liked yesterday's analysis, which I clearly stated, sell on rise. So, and it happened today. So, please do like the video, and that's it. So, and also you can follow me on Twitter for live market updates that I give on Twitter, and also the learning tweets that I do. And yes, and if you want all the updates, so then you have to take the membership, and also you get the access to the indicators. What in case of a huge gap up? Yes, if there is a huge gap up, then the thing is that we have to wait. But the thing is, like, we can take positional put writing positions. And if there is a gap up, so I'm expecting it to open above for Nifty. I'm expecting it to open above 18,175. Okay, so if it opens above that, then that level would be acting as support. Okay, and in that case we can go for put writing positions. But yes, for call buying we will have to see. So for now I can't tell if there would be a call buying or not, but yes, there would be one day when suddenly, like, index would just start increasing and you won't see any red candle. So it's not very far away, but yes. So sorry, yeah, so better we would wait and we would again see. So yeah, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and keep watching and keep learning and trade safely. See you in the next one, and enjoy your weekend. Bye, good night.